Hi, and welcome to this brief demo of FXLoader, the software that will automatically load exchange rates from OANDA, the currency data provider, into your Oracle eBusiness Suite application. As you know, Oracle expects daily exchange rates to be loaded to convert your foreign currency transactions to your ledger currency across all eBusiness Suite modules. For example, in this screen, we're entering a Euro supplier invoice in a US dollar ledger. When we enter euros as a currency, the rate is brought in from those already loaded for the relevant date and rate type. So how do we enter these rates? Well, as standard, Oracle provides a screen in the General Ledger module for you to manually enter the exchange rates. We can enter rates for a specific date or by range of dates. We also use this screen to query the rates already loaded, so we can see we have rates for the 27th of February, but we currently don't have any rates for the 28th of February. Oracle also provide the Currency Rates Manager, which allows you to populate rates from a spreadsheet. However, both these methods require manual effort to source the rates and put them into Oracle. And as ever, manual processes are subject to mistakes. If the rates are not loaded in time, your users cannot enter their foreign currency transactions. And if the rates are entered incorrectly, your core currency balances will be wrong, and you may not notice the problem until month end or even later. And for this reason, most organizations choose to automate the load of exchange rates. So let's see how FXLoader automates this process. FXLoader for Oracle eBusiness Suite provides 100% automation with 0% manual intervention to load exchange rates from OANDA. A single concurrent request is run to load the rates every day. We enter the exchange date to query from OANDA, and then these can be loaded into a different date in Oracle. You need rates available for the start of your user's working day, which could be 8 AM in Japan, for example, so you probably want to load into the next day. You can also load additional dates into the future via this last parameter. The program is scheduled to run at a particular time every day via the standard concurrent manager scheduling facilities. And we submit. That's it. Schedule it once and forget about it. It'll now download rates using the FXCSV service, fully supported by OANDA, and load them into Oracle using the API, fully supported by Oracle. And behind the scenes, there are no files being moved around here. This data is transferred over HTTP via a direct request from your Oracle database. And the process will also automatically retry in the event it can't contact OANDA for some reason. Once complete, a report is produced showing the rates loaded. How does FXLoader know which currency to load? Well, rates are loaded between all your enabled currencies, but you have the option to exclude particular currencies via a flag on the currency screen. For example, STAT, the statistical currency. In this example, we have loaded rates between US dollar and all other currencies from OANDA, and then used triangulation to load all non-US dollar combinations. So we can see the Australian dollar to euro rate has been created via triangulation from the US dollar rates. And this option is configurable. You can choose instead to load every combination from OANDA. So if we query for the 28th of February again, we can now see all the rates have been loaded. Next, I'll briefly show you some of the configuration options available to FXLoader. And these are set via hidden parameters in the concurrent program definition, which I've displayed here to demonstrate. We can configure the exchange rate type, the base currency used for triangulation. The license key gives us access to the OANDA service. We can select ask or bid rates from OANDA. We can triangulate or not triangulate. And we can opt to include or exclude rates between non-base currencies. We can also set a proxy server if needed and configure the number of retries in the event of a failure to contact OANDA. So what do you get when you purchase FXLoader? Well, as the software and OANDA subscription, you get detailed installation and configuration instructions in the reference manual. Installation is via a single script to install a concurrent program into your existing application for custom extensions. And configuration explains how to change the default settings we just described. Our team will support you through the entire process, including testing. There's also a user guide containing the simple instructions for running the process and troubleshooting. Finally, I'll sum up the benefits of FXLoader. It's 100% automated. You schedule it once and forget about it. OANDA is a market maker and trusted source for currency data. Their website contains details of their data and services, including FXCSV used by FXLoader. It's robust, essentially a simple process. Avoiding files completely removes operating system dependencies and potential file system issues. Clients have been using the process for over 10 years now with close to zero issues. It's flexible. Configuration options are available to suit your preferences for rates, currencies and timings. And it's fully supported. OANDA support their data service. Oracle support the final load as it uses their published API. In between these two and encompassing the whole process is support from us at FXLoader. Finally, please visit FXLoader.com for further information. For pricing and to contact reference customers, please email us at info@fxloader.com. Thank you for listening.